Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amase High School. We will continue with our chapter number 1, our national fruit mango. Now students, let us continue with our question number 21. Fourth part of question number 21. Shailesh Bhai buys 12 kg Kesar mango and gives a note of rupees 2000 to the shopkeeper. Then how much amount will the shopkeeper return to him? Students, here what is given in the question is that Shailesh Bhai buys 12 kg Kesar mango and gives 2000 rupees to the shopkeeper, and we have to find out how much amount will the shopkeeper return to him. Solution for fourth part of question number 21. Cost of 1 kg of Kesar mango which was given in the table is rupees 150. Quantity of Kesar mango equals to 12 kg, it's given in the question. We have to find out total amount. To find out the total amount, we will multiply 150 by 12. So here we will write 150 multiplied by 12. Now let us do the calculation. Now 2 zeros is 0, 2 5s is 10, 0 we will write here and 1 we will carry over here. Then 2 1s is 2 plus 1 is 3. Then we will put a cross, or you can write a 0 over here. Then 1 zeros is 0, 1 5s is 5. And 1 1s is 1. We will add these numbers now. Here we will write 0. Then 0 plus 0 is also 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 1 we will write as it is. So by multiplying 150 by 12 we will get 1800. So students, amount given by Shailesh Bhai is rupees 2000. It's given in the question that Shailesh Bhai gives a note of rupees 2000. And then cost of 12 kg of Kesar mango which we have calculated now is rupees 1800. Now we have to find out amount returned by the shopkeeper. To find out that the amount returned by shopkeeper, we will subtract 1800 from 2000. So here we will write 2000 minus 1800. So here also students we will write 2000 minus 1800, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is also 0. We can't subtract 8 from 0, so we will borrow 1 from this number. First we will cut 2 and write 1, and here we will place 1. So the number so formed is 10. Now 8 minus 10 is 10 minus 8 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So by subtracting 1800 from 2000 we will get 200. Therefore shopkeeper returns rupees 200 to Shailesh Bhai. Now fifth part of question number 1. Dinesh Bhai has rupees 200. He buys Hafus mango from quarter of that amount and Kesar mango from the remaining amount. Then how much Hafus and Kesar does he buys? Students, here what is given in the question is that Dinesh Bhai has rupees 200. From the 200 he spends quarter amount on Hafus mango. So first we have to find out how much is quarter amount, and then we have to find out how much Hafus mango does he buys, and then from the remaining amount he buys Kesar mango, and then we have to find out how much Kesar mango does he buys. Solution for fifth part of question number 1. Dinesh Bhai has rupees 200. It's given in the question. Quarter amount he spends to buy Hafus mango. It's also given in the question. So first we have to find out how much amount he spends on Hafus mango. Students, quarter means 1 by 4. So we will multiply 1 by 4 with 200 to find out the quarter amount. So here we will multiply this 1 with 200. 1 200 is 200. And we will write 4 here as it is. So 200 divided by 4. Now we have to divide 200 by 4. So 200 divided by 4 is 50. Therefore we can say that Dinesh Bhai spends rupees 50 on Hafus mango. Now students, cost of 1 kg Hafus mango in the table was shown as rupees 50. So we can say that as Dinesh Bhai spends rupees 50 on Hafus mango, so Dinesh Bhai buys 1 kg Hafus mango. Now we have to find out the remaining amount which he spends on Kesar mango. So Dinesh Bhai has rupees 200. It's given in the question. And amount spends on Hafus mango is equals to rupees 50, which we have calculated now. Now we have to find out the remaining amount. To find out the remaining amount, we will subtract 50 from 200. So here we will write 200 minus 50. So 200 minus 50 is rupees 150. So we can say that Dinesh Bhai spends rupees 150 to buy Kesar mango. As it's given in the table that cost of 1 kg Kesar mango is rupees 150. Therefore we can say that Dinesh Bhai buys 1 kg Kesar mango. So students, in this way we will calculate that out of rupees 200 which Dinesh Bhai has, Dinesh Bhai buys 1 kg Hafus mango and 1 kg Kesar mango. Sixth part of question number 21, you have to do it by yourself. Now let us move to test yourself. Choose the correct alternative for each question and write the correct option in the box. Students, here question is asked and few alternatives are given. For each question we have to write the correct option in the box. First, 432597 is written in words as. We have to find out in how we will write this number in word form. So here you can see that this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. 4 is at the lakhs position. So here we will say 4 as 4 lakh. The place value of 3 is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So the place value of 3 will be 30,000 and the place value of 2 is 2,000. Place value of 5 is 500, place value of 9 is 90 and place value of 7 is 7. So the numbers so formed will be 4,32,597. So option A is right. So here in the box we will write option A. Next is second one, 2,34,007 is written in figure as. Here we have to find out how we will write this number 2,34,007 in figures. So student, in option A the numbers are given is 2,03,407. We want 2,34,000. Option B is 23,407, so it's also not right. Option C is 2,34,007. So this is the right answer. We will write in the box C. Option C is right answer. Now sum number 3. What is the place value of underlined digit? Here we have to find out the place value of this digit 5. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So the place value of digit 5 is 5 lakh. So answer is option D. So here we will write D. Now fourth one, a truck travels a distance of 70 km per hour. So it travels the distance of dash kilometer in 3 hours. Students, here what is given in the question is that a truck travels 70 km per hour. In 1 hour, the truck travels 70 km. We have to find out in 3 hours how much distance will the truck cover. To find out it, we will multiply 70 with 3. So 70 multiplied by 3. 70 multiplied by 3 is 210. So option B is the right answer. So here we will write option B. Now fifth one. A tempo carries 250 kg mangoes in one trip. So it carries 1,250 kg mangoes in dash trip. Students, here what is given in this question is that in one trip a tempo carries 250 kg of mangoes. We have to find out in the number of trips in which 1,250 kg of mango will it carry. To find out it, we will divide 1,250 by 250. Students, here you can see 0, 0 we will cut. Now 125 divided by 25. So if we divide 125 by 25, we will get 5. So answer is option B. That is, in 5 trips the tempo will carry 1,250 kg of mangoes. So here we will write option B as an answer. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.